Hi everyone. So today's session is going to be on the literary movements during the Romantic Age, or in other words, literary terms related to Romanticism. In this video, I am going to talk about the 5 major terms related to Romantic Age. So let's begin the session. First we have the Lake Poets. Lake Poets was a group of English poets that lived in the Lake District of England. Now Lake Poets or Lake School was a derogatory term used by the critic Francis Jeffrey in his Edinburgh Review, in which he criticized these Lake Poets, William Wordsworth, S.T. Coleridge and Robert Southey. One more thing about the term Lake Poets is that the writer Thomas De Quincey wrote a biographical essay about these writers in his work Recollection of the Lake Poets. Next we have the Satanic school of poetry applied by Robert Southey in his work A Vision of Judgment. In this work he criticized Byron and Shelley and said that their work was a combination of satanic and monstrous spirit. Then we have Cockney school of poetry. Basically Cockney was a dialect that was used by the people who lived in London. So Cockney School of Poetry was used by Blackwood's Magazine, published in the year 1870. It was a hostile review that criticized the writers Leigh Hunt, John Keats and William Hazlitt for their use of low diction. Then we have Dark Romantics. Dark Romantics used for those writers who used the theme of darkness in their work. There was a reflection of self-destruction, demonic and irrationalism in their work. So in general, Dark Romantics explored the dark side of human nature. Here we have Edgar Allan Poe, Nathaniel Hawthorne, Herman Melville, S.T. Coleridge and Charles Baudelaire. And last we have the Transcendentalist. Transcendentalists originated in United States in 1820s and 1813th century. It was closely linked with Romantics. Their primary concern was in personal freedom. They talk about individuality. They differ with Romantic writers on the belief that they were not opposed to the empiricism of science and rationalism. Here we have Ralph Waldo Emerson, Henry David, Walt Whitman, Margaret Fuller and Branson Alcott. So that's it for this video lecture. If you have any query, then post your comments in the comment section below. Thank you.